In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for, so you can remove an account confidently and without surprises. First, open Salesforce and make sure you're in the Lightning experience. You should see the familiar navigation bar across the top. If you work in multiple apps, switch into the one where your account's live, such as the Sales app. A quick tip before we begin: ensure you have permission to delete accounts. If you don't, you won't see the delete option later, and you may need to contact your administrator. Next, go to the Accounts area. You can click the Accounts tab in the top navigation bar, or use the app launcher to find it if it's not pinned. Once you are on the Accounts page, choose the list view that makes it easiest to find what you need: recently viewed, all accounts, or a filtered list your team uses. You can also use the search bar to jump straight to the record. Now, select the account you want to remove by clicking its name to open the record. Pause here and double check details on the record page to confirm you've got the correct account. Look at the account name, the associated contacts, and any open opportunities or cases. Deleting an account can affect related records, so this is a good moment to make sure you truly want to proceed. On the account record, look for the drop-down arrow in the highlights area near the top of the page, often beside the edit button. Click that arrow to reveal additional actions available for this record. This menu is where Salesforce keeps options that don't appear as primary buttons. From the drop-down, choose Delete. Salesforce will prompt you to confirm. Read the confirmation message carefully so you understand the impact. Depending on your organization's settings, related records may be deleted, blocked from deletion, or you may be warned about dependencies. If everything looks correct, confirm the deletion. If you don't see delete in the menu, you likely don't have the required permission, or your organization has restricted deletions for this object. That's it. The account is now removed. In many Salesforce orgs, deleted records go to the recycle bin for a limited period, which can make recovery possible if something was removed by mistake. Still, it's best practice to double check the account and capture any necessary information before you delete. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, consider reviewing your team's deletion policies so everyone follows the same safe process.